Let's start with a homemade elixir for bloating. For this one, you'll need half of a small pineapple, half a head or 2 stalks of fennel, 2 stalks of celery with leaves, and a piece of ginger root about 2 to 3 centimeters long. Blend everything together in a blender. If the mixture is too thick, you can add a little bit of water to get it to the right consistency. Drink this on an empty stomach until the bloating starts to go away. If you have a juicer, you can juice all the ingredients instead and mix them. This is a great way to restore your intestinal flora and get things back on track. Next up, if you're dealing with constipation, here's a homemade elixir for constipation. You'll need 100 grams of pitted dried plums, 100 grams of dried figs, 100 grams of meadow honey, and 10 grams of crushed senna leaves. Grind the dried fruit and mix it with the honey and senna leaves. Keep this mixture in the fridge and take a teaspoon of it every evening. It's a great way to help things move more smoothly in your digestive system. Now, if you're looking for something super simple, try drinking peppermint tea after your meals. This is one of the easiest remedies to help with bloating. Peppermint tea helps to relax the muscles in your intestines, supports digestion, and helps reduce bloating. It's such a soothing tea to have after eating. Another great remedy is eating parsley. Parsley is an excellent option for bloating because it acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess fluid from your body. You can eat it fresh, or you can add it to your meals to support your digestion and reduce bloating. Super simple and effective. If you're struggling with bloating or gas, you'll want to try caraway seeds. Caraway seeds are great for calming your stomach and reducing discomfort. You can either eat a spoonful of the seeds directly, or you can make crackers with caraway seeds and eat them whenever you feel discomfort or digestive issues. They really help to ease bloating and gas. For something that works pretty quickly, baking soda and lemon can help relieve bloating. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into a glass, then add a teaspoon of baking soda. It will foam up, so add a little more baking soda, and then fill the glass with water. Stir everything well to completely dissolve the soda. Sip it slowly, and you'll start to feel relief in no time. It's one of those remedies that works fast. Now, if you're dealing with bloating and gas, anise tea is an excellent choice. For this tea, you'll need 20 grams each of anise, fennel, caraway, and thyme. Take about 3 large tablespoons of this mixture and pour 500 milliliters of boiling water over it. Let it steep for about 3 hours, and then you can drink it 3 times a day after meals. This tea helps settle your stomach and reduce bloating and gas. It's one of my favorites. Lastly, for regulating your stool if you're constipated, here's another great tea. Mix 20 grams each of anise, dried plums, buckthorn bark, licorice root, and fennel. Take 2 tablespoons of this mixture and pour 300 milliliters of boiling water over it. Cover and let it steep for 3 hours, then drink it. This tea is super effective for constipation, and it works really well to help get your digestive system back to normal. So, there you have it. Some natural remedies that can help with bloating, constipation, cramps, and digestive issues. These are all simple, effective, and made with ingredients that you can find easily at home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.